When buying a car, reliability is key. A dependable vehicle saves on repairs, ensures safety, and offers long-term peace of mind. Based on trusted sources like Consumer Reports and JD Power, we've picked 10 cars known for lasting quality and strong performance. These models, from compact sedans to rugged SUVs and hybrids, have high owner satisfaction and proven durability. Here are 10 vehicles you won't regret buying. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is a household name when it comes to reliability. This compact sedan has been a favorite for decades, and for good reason. It's affordable, fuel-efficient, and built to last. According to Consumer Reports, the Corolla consistently ranks high in reliability, with a score of 77 out of 100 in 2023. Owners love its low maintenance costs and simple design, which means fewer things go wrong. The Corolla offers a smooth ride, decent technology, and excellent fuel economy. Around 32 mpg combined for the gasoline models and up to 50 mpg for the hybrid version. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a road trip, the Corolla is a dependable choice. Its resale value is also strong, so you'll get good money back if you decide to sell it later. From young drivers to families, the Toyota Corolla is a car you can trust for years. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is another compact car that's famous for its durability. It's sporty, fun to drive, and packed with features, but what really stands out is its reliability. In 2024, used car reliability rankings from Cars.com gave Honda a strong score of 55 out of 100, with the Civic being a top performer. Owners report that the Civic rarely needs major repairs, even after hitting 100,000 miles. The Civic comes in sedan, hatchback, and performance-oriented models like the Civic Si or Type R. Its fuel economy is impressive, averaging about 33 mpg combined, and the hybrid version pushes that to around 50 mpg. With a spacious interior, modern safety features, and a smooth ride, the Civic is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable car that doesn't feel boring. It's a great choice for first-time buyers or anyone looking for a long-lasting vehicle. Lexus ES. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that's as reliable as it is comfortable, the Lexus ES is hard to beat. Lexus, Toyota's luxury brand, consistently ranks at the top for dependability. In JD Power's 2024 dependability study, Lexus scored 135 problems per 100 vehicles, PP100, the best among all brands. The ES in particular is praised for its smooth ride, quiet cabin, and low maintenance costs. The Lexus ES offers a refined driving experience with premium features like leather seats, a high-quality sound system, and advanced safety tech. Its hybrid version gets around 44 mpg, making it a great choice for eco-conscious buyers who still want luxury. Owners often report driving their ES for over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. If you want a car that combines reliability with elegance, the Lexus ES is a smart pick. Subaru Forester. For those who need a reliable SUV, the Subaru Forester is a top contender. This compact SUV is known for its rugged durability, all-wheel drive system, and excellent safety ratings. Consumer Reports gave the Forester a reliability score of 82 in 2023, tying it with the BMW X5 for one of the highest scores. It's a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. The Forester offers plenty of cargo space, a comfortable interior, and good fuel economy, around 29 mpg combined. Its all-wheel drive system makes it great for snowy or rough roads, and Subaru's EyeSight safety suite adds features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Owners praise the Forester for its low repair costs and ability to handle tough conditions without breaking down. It's a reliable SUV you'll love for years. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the most popular compact SUVs in the world, and its reliability is a big reason why. Consumer Reports gave the RAV4 a reliability score of 80 in 2023, and it's consistently listed among the most dependable SUVs. Whether you choose the gasoline, hybrid, or plug-in hybrid Prime version, the RAV4 is built to last. With about 28 mpg for the gas model and up to 40 mpg for the hybrid, the RAV4 is fuel-efficient and practical. It offers a roomy interior, user-friendly technology, and a smooth ride. Owners report that the RAV4 handles daily driving and long trips with ease, and it rarely needs major repairs. If you're looking for a reliable SUV that's versatile and affordable, the Toyota RAV4 is a fantastic choice. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 stands out for its blend of reliability, style, and fun driving dynamics. Mazda as a brand scored 59 in used car reliability rankings, making it one of the top performers. The CX-5 in particular is praised for its upscale interior, responsive handling, and low maintenance costs. This compact SUV gets around 28 mpg combined and offers a premium feel without the luxury price tag. Its sleek design and comfortable cabin make it a favorite for those who want a reliable car that's also enjoyable to drive. The CX-5 comes with standard safety features like blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking, adding to its appeal. Owners often say their CX-5 feels like new even after years of use, making it a regret-free purchase. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is a mid-size sedan that's been a benchmark for reliability for decades. It's one of the top models listed in articles about cars that last a lifetime, thanks to its durable engineering. Consumer Reports notes that Toyota dominates reliability rankings, and the Camry is a big reason. The Camry offers a comfortable ride, spacious interior, and excellent fuel economy. Around 32 mpg for gas models and up to 52 mpg for the hybrid. It's packed with modern features like a touchscreen infotainment system and advanced safety tech. Owners love that the Camry rarely needs repairs, even after high mileage. Whether you're a daily commuter or need a family car, the Toyota Camry is a reliable choice you won't regret. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is another compact SUV that's built to last. Honda's reliability score of 55 in used car rankings highlights the CR-V's dependability. Owners report that this SUV handles everything from city driving to long road trips without issues, and it's known for its low maintenance costs. The CR-V offers about 30 mpg combined for the gas model and up to 40 mpg for the hybrid. Its roomy interior, large cargo space, and smooth ride make it a great pick for families. Honda's reputation for building durable engines and transmissions means the CR-V can easily surpass 200,000 miles with proper care. If you want a reliable SUV that's practical and comfortable, the CR-V is a safe bet. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is a luxury mid-size SUV that combines reliability with upscale features. As part of the Lexus brand, which topped J.D. Power's dependability rankings in 2024, the RX is a standout for its long-term durability. Owners love its smooth ride, quiet cabin, and minimal repair needs. The RX offers a hybrid option with around 36 mpg, making it efficient for a luxury SUV. It comes with premium features like a high-quality infotainment system, leather seats, and advanced safety tech. The RX is perfect for those who want a reliable vehicle that feels luxurious without the high maintenance costs of other luxury brands. It's a car you'll enjoy driving for years to come. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius is the go-to choice for buyers who want a reliable hybrid with unbeatable fuel economy. Known as the pioneer of hybrid cars, the Prius has a stellar reputation for lasting well over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Consumer Reports frequently list Toyota hybrids like the Prius among the most reliable vehicles. The Prius gets up to 58 mpg in the city, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars on the market. Its compact size is perfect for city driving, and it offers a surprisingly spacious interior for passengers and cargo. Owners praise the Prius for its low running costs and dependable performance. In conclusion, buying a reliable car is one of the smartest decisions you can make. The Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Lexus ES, Subaru Forester, Toyota RAV4, Mazda CX-5, Toyota Camry, Honda CR-V, Lexus RX, and Toyota Prius are all excellent choices that combine dependability, practicality, and value. Whether you need a compact car for commuting, an SUV for family adventures, or a luxury vehicle for comfort, these 10 cars won't let you down. Backed by real-world data and owner experiences, these vehicles are proven to last, making them purchases you'll never regret. So, if you're in the market for a car that's built to go the distance, consider one of these reliable models. If you enjoyed this review, please subscribe for more updates on luxury vehicles. Thank you for watching.